people. I'm out here in New York, staying at the Virgin Hotel. Really nice hotel. First of all, sometimes you get a free gift and you don't even know you're getting it. Really love this hotel. I'm gonna make a whole video about Virgin. And this is definitely the spot if you're here solo, because I'm here solo right now, I'm waiting on some of my family. But this hotel was amazing last night. Had a really good time. What I am in the process of doing is I'm gonna go to the Vessel. I've been waiting to go to this place for a minute. It should probably take me about 20 minutes or so. I'm gonna get there and I'm about to do this thing. I'm really excited about this. So man, I don't know what I'm doing, but got a little bit of a late start. It ain't no big deal. Guess I'm kind of Flatiron District, not far from Hudson Yards. Definitely want to see how many steps I can get in here really quick. I guess, so there was some tragedy, I guess, with all this. Somebody, I guess a couple people committed suicide. And that's why they changed how the Vessel, I guess they have these nets now. Make sure that no one or nothing can fall off the side. But looks like we're pulling up here. Let me show the world. Oh man, I don't even Peloton like that, but I need to go in here and bust them out one. But no, I get my Peloton on, they ain't ready for me. No. Bro, what is this honeycomb hideout? I used to love honeycomb, man. That thing was my favorite cereal. Wow. Back on that honeycomb hideout. Now, truth be told, I'm about to go ahead and scale this thing. I bought my tickets and everything. Man, one thing I'm missing out, man, I really want to do this Equinix hotel right here. Something with the hotel where they have the gym. But listen, that's for a whole nother trip. I mean, I'm not about to spend $800 a night just to work out with people who probably aren't even that strong. That's a whole nother, that's fitness content. We're gonna leave that in the fitness realm. It's actually kind of cool since part of it is closed off. I feel like you're in like in a maze, even though it's not a maze. It's not that serious. It's amazing. So as I'm going up and down, I keep running into partitions that are blocked, or areas that you can't get to. Let's figure this out to get to the very top. Yeah, I see right here. They have this netting here. Ran into another area. Blocked right here. How do we go up this way? Okay, I think it makes sense now. So once you hit, I guess I'm not even gonna say it's the very top, but you hit a portion of the top, it's blocked off with these nets, and there's a whole section over here that's blocked off. And actually it's kind of sad. It's the best view right there, right of the Hudson. But it's still cool though. You see behind me right there, the Hudson, that area behind this net. there's no net there, so it's all 100% open. But I think they had issues in the past, but it's cool. Overall though, this is cool structure. Love the architecture. It's beautiful out there. I mean, it's cold as balls out here, but it's a beautiful structure. Amazing what people can do with a little bit of ingenuity. A nice centerpiece. For me, I haven't been to New York City in about 2 years, so I didn't see it or didn't even know about it until this recent trip. I didn't know about it until a couple months ago, but yeah, that's pretty dope. Anyways, if you're in New York City, get out, try something different, get your steps in, run it, walk it, whatever you want to do. Back on that honeycomb hideout.